Hello YouTube, how's everybody? This is Bob again, coming to you from beautiful Pig Wild Ranch. I got cougar buttes as a backdrop here. I got a cardboard box set at about 15-20 yards. Target also there. And today I have a couple guns to show you. And here they are. These are single action shotguns. The top one is made by TR Imports. It's called Silver Eagle Stalker in 12 gauge. It comes in a 28-inch barrel. It has excellent Turkish walnut stock. It's made in Turkey, of course. I got another one here. It's called Iver Johnson. This is the 20 gauge youth model in shoots 2 3/4 to 3-inch shells. Has 18.5-inch barrel. These don't have ejectors. They have extractors, which is what I want because I don't want to litter up this land here, beautiful land. I want to pick the shells home. And today I'm going to shoot some shot shells here. Also, I'm going to shoot some 12 gauge double-aught buckshot. See how it goes. Oh, the top one, the 12 gauge, is has fixed improved cylinder choke, fixed improved cylinder, and 20 gauge has fixed full choke because it only has an 18.5-inch barrel. Okay, I'm gonna shoot the 12 gauge first. I'm gonna shoot the double-aught buckshot. Double-aught buckshot, high brass. Now this one opens like this. You push this real hard, open it, close like this, and it's already cocked. It has no hammer, so open like this, close it, and you're ready to shoot. You can pull real hard. So I'm going to shoot buckshot. Kicks good. Let me see. Let's see how the spread is. I just kind of aim for the center. Nice. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very nice. Let me shoot some more buckshots. Okay, let me remove the empty shell. Put another one in. Okay, I'm gonna shoot the steel target too. The last of the buckshots. Nice. I really like it. Now let's shoot some bird shots. So these are 7.5 inch shots. 7.5 number 7.5 shots. 2 3/4 inch bird shots. Let me see the steel target. See what comes. The safety was engaged for some reason. I was shooting at the steel target. I don't know if I hit. I mean, I don't hear it. Still shooting the 7.5, 7.5 shots. Bird shots. 2 3/4 inch shot shell. I'm going to just hit the steel target so it makes a sound. Nice. I like it. This will make a great trap gun. I'm gonna go shoot trap tomorrow night, so I'll use it. Now let's shoot a 20 gauge. Now on with the 20 gauge, the Iver Johnson 18.5 inch. You open it by pressing this. It opens up, but this one you have to press the hammer. I see the target move. I didn't hear it though. I think I hit it. Very nice. Okay, 20 gauge. Forgot to put the hammer. Nice. Just have to remember to press the hammer every time. So I really like this gun. Look how well it folds. You can put it in a backpack, pretty much. And the recoil is not bad at all. Show you the 12 gauge. Same thing. This one you have to pull harder because it cocks it. Look how well it folds. Highly recommend it. Both guns. Okay, shoot 5 more rounds. Oh. I like this extractor so it doesn't eject all over the place. Although I wouldn't recommend this for home defense, but in a jiffy, if you need it, it's better than nothing. Actually, it will do a very good job of defending your house. So it was a lot of fun shooting these two single barrel shotguns. These guns are inexpensive and work great. I think everybody should have one or two or more. Thank you all for watching. This is Bob coming to you from Pig Wild Ranch. Just beautiful day today. I love this place. That's my trusty Prius.